Good morning, everybody. How are we doing today? Beautiful Tuesday. Let's see, as a reminder, this evening, 8 o'clock Eastern, there'll be our member e-learning. It's 8 o'clock Eastern. Let's pull this off of here. The scanner that you see up here, for those that don't know, these are pre-market. Maybe there's a stock in there you might see that goes by, you might look at and find it worthwhile, worth your time pre-market. So I hope you find something from that from time to time. Oops, a little bit disorganized. My list open here. Had a electrical outage this morning, so I kind of was scrambling getting back up there. It suddenly disappeared. Now I'm back. Yeah, hey Robert. Yeah, that Rose G. What a sweetheart, huh? Want to congratulate anybody that was in it yesterday. You're making money today. Have to say thank you to Ann. I think Ann brought it to the room first thing yesterday morning. So anyone that's in Rose G from yesterday, from the trading room here, you're making some pretty good money. Rose G is the featured stock pick for us today. We're looking at Rose G. If you're not in it, you want to be buying it on positive trading above $6.20, which is basically the close of yesterday. If you're a PBO buyer, buy it down to about $5.75, and we're looking for a close over that $5.75. I don't think there's going to be a problem with that today. In fact, I think it's gapping up this morning. For those that aren't in it, I would probably use the low of today, the high of yesterday as a stop if it starts pulling back, and I would buy it on any pullbacks. I wouldn't buy a full position at this point. What I would do is see if it closes over the 50 simple, then I would start adding to it from there. We have targets of about 719, which, let's see, what did I thought I saw, let's see, Robert's pointing out we're at 664 now. 719 is a target, and then up here at about $9.15, I think, is the next target, and then we'll worry about targets above when we get there. But nice chart. Hope everybody's in it, making some good money on it today. This could make some folks weak on this one. Okay, let's go look at the rest of the stock picks. Actually, there's quite a few of them. Better get going. ACLS. ACLS coming from this hammer gap up. It rallied. We've got some consolidation. Ideally, what we want to see is a breakout. If we see a breakout over this level here, you want to be long. Watch the 200-day moving average for a target. ANTH. ANTH, rounded bottom breakout. Rounded bottom breakout, as a reminder, September 29th. September 29th, 10 o'clock a.m. in the morning. That's a Saturday morning. We will be conducting a clinic on that. It will last approximately 3 hours long. There will be 2 follow-up Saturdays for those that enter the clinic. The 2 follow-up Saturdays will be about you being able to ask more questions. Maybe what I would really like to see is some of your trades, good, bad, or indifferent. Let's take a look at them. What could we have done different? What could we have held on longer? Could we have changed our stop? Just anything to help you out. So let's see. ANTH, we've got a gap up yesterday. Closed over the 34, closed over the big 3 right here, the 20, the 34, and 50. This is a buy on any strength and also a buy on any consolidation to the right with that holds the 34 exponential moving average. BPAX. We have another rounded bottom breakout. Certainly a buy on strength. What I would want to see and probably would be patient for would be a pullback and buy in this area right here to the right. We want to buy on an inside day. Ideally, it'd be nice to see this come down 3 or 4 days in a nice little 1, 2, 3, and then boom, start moving up, and that's where we'll buy it. It may want to move up higher. I don't have my other chart on the real time, so I don't know what it's doing. DEC. DEC acted very good yesterday. DEC has acted very good for the last 3 days. We've got a nice downtrend, little double bottom here, little double bottom. We've rallied up and we've pulled back. A hammer, a gap up, acted terrific. Yesterday was a great entry day. Probably using the 50-day simple area as a stop here, little looser stop, looking for this to rally, take out this top here, and then maybe we can come up and take this top over here about 58.50. ITMN. ITMN, this is a rounded bottom breakout. This is one to have on your watch list or be buying. If it starts moving up high, this is where I want to personally put it on my watch list. I want to buy it on a pullback. The breakout buyers, you can certainly buy it on a breakout, moving it up, and then move your stop up so you don't get caught in the pullback that's going to happen. So just make that entry where you're comfortable and you're confident. We're going to look at the 200-day as our target we're shooting for. Certainly not going to go there in 1, 2, probably 3 days. Probably going to take its time getting there, but when it gets there, it'll be a good profit point right there. ITMN. ITMN, by the way, was talked about by a couple people in the room back here, so it gave lots of buying opportunities back here. Nice rally up, nice little consolidation, and then rallied up a little more. LPR was on the stock pick list yesterday. It's still on the stock pick list today. LPR acted very good. Looks like we're still headed a little bit to the 34 right here. If we get some consolidation, I'll look at that as an opportunity, not anything to run from. I think it's going up to the 34 and then probably the 50. Mako, our friend Mako. Mako acted very good yesterday. There's no reason not to be in this at this point. Mako's holding up very well. We're looking for continued strength up. If it just simply stays above the T-line, I would be happy because the T-line is in a nice upward trajectory, just like that. So if it wants to just kind of bounce up that T-line, that'd be fine by me. Once we start taking out this top here, I do think we're going to run up into this target area here. Target 1, target 2, target 3. That's Mako. MVIS. Yesterday, I kicked myself for not buying this yesterday. I just got kind of busy, lost track. But I had said earlier that if this closed over the T-line, over the 200, I would buy this into the close yesterday. Well, I missed it. So I'm going to look for a buy today. This has come out of our rounded bottom breakout. We're now up to our original target area, and we're looking for it to move higher. We have a nice little doji, bullish engulf after some very nice consolidation. So I'm going to look to be buying this at this point right here. ONXX had a terrific day. What a nice little J-hook breakout right here. Good trending chart. We want to buy this on any kind of strength above yesterday's close, and of course buy at anything above the T-line for the PBO buyers. It's pullback opportunity for those buyers that want to look for that. If we get a low during like an inside day low, just a tail down there, we'll look to buy it. Stop will be about the T-line area, and we'll look for this to climb a bit higher. ONXX. UBNT. This is another one. This is a nice rounded bottom breakout that's consolidating very well right here. We have a little bullish engulf actually. Doji bullish engulf sitting on the T-line. Good consolidation. Definitely want to be a buyer on breakout here to the upside. We're going to look for, let's see, we'll look for the swing target up to this recent high, and then from there I think we'll look for the 200-day moving average from that level. Nice looking chart. Possibility of a stop at the T-line for some folks. For other folks, you might look at something like the 34 or the 50. Anything below that would tell us that we may be in a little trouble right here. So basically, if we do get a pullback, I'll look at that as a buying opportunity at this level. This may be just a little dip down and then pop up. I don't see it real time, so it may, as far as I know, it may be gapping up now. I'm not sure right now. Okay, and then we did our stock pick of the day first. Rose G, it's still acting pretty good. We'll watch for entries. I may look to even add to mine. Depends where that entry is, and see how much moolah we can put in our pocket here. Okay, good morning to everybody. I need a few minutes, and I'll be right back before this market opens and see what we can do today. Be right back.